everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rachel and I'm a fashion seller over on Poshmark. You can find me on Poshmark at TheScottCottage. You can also find me over on Instagram. So let's get started into this video. As you've read in the description, it is a ThredUP fun box. So this isn't my first rodeo. I've gotten plenty of these. And sometimes I'm like, I'm never getting these again, and sometimes I really like them. They're very hit or miss, like full disclosure. Sometimes I get great things, sometimes I get a bunch of junk. So, hoping for some great things. They're great to put in your closet. They're really great for people to get smaller items to bundle with other items. So that's the reason I do it. But honestly, I needed sunglasses, and you always get sunglasses in these boxes. And the last one I got, I didn't like the sunglasses, so I still need sunglasses. So it's cheaper to do it this way because I pay $22. I had a code for free shipping, which shipping is normally $5.99. So for $22, I get all these items, whereas if I go and buy sunglasses, I'm going to pay the same price and only get sunglasses. So I would rather just do it this way. I do keep some of this stuff too. So anyway, so here we go. Here's the normal polka dot paper. They always wrap everything in, and I'm going to set it over here. My invoice. Fun box, $22. There's that. So if you haven't seen my other videos, I do tons of unboxings with ThredUP. I actually have another one down here that I'm going to do a little bit later today, and it is the 50 mixed item clothing women's box. I hope it's the women's box. I don't even know. But it's just mixed clothing for, you know, it's 50 pieces for 110. So I'll be doing that later today. All right. First things first, these. I actually really like getting these because I like to fill boxes and stuff like that. Alright, the first thing I see is sunglasses. Like I said, they're always in here. These look pretty cute. The last ones in my other box, they were really small and I didn't like them, but I still use them. These are much bigger. Oh, we're getting ready to go to the beach on Wednesday and I do need sunglasses. But these are not really my style. But you know what? I don't even care because I gotta have sunglasses at the beach. So there is no markings whatsoever on these, like for a brand. And you can tell that they're pretty cheap. Like these will probably break pretty easily. But for the beach, just to wear, I think these are gonna be perfect. So yes, I'm excited already because I got what I wanted. I got me some new sunglasses. Put that aside. So the next thing I see is really nice. However, okay, so you know that I'm TheScottCottage and Scott is my last name. So how did they know to send me this? Like what? And it's like a beach bag and I'm going to the beach in 2 days. I swear someone told them. Okay. I guess I'm just going to have to keep this entire box. Like, I'm probably not selling anything because, I mean, it's, like, curated for me. So it reminds me of a 31. It's got to be 31 because that's, like, their monogram. They use, like, that stitching or that style. I don't know. It feels like 31, but I'm not seeing any markings, which would be odd because they mark their stuff. I don't know. But it's this huge beach bag. So the bottom is not, it's, like, folded. Huge beach bag. It has like a little zipper on the inside here, like fake leather handles. Like this thing's huge. Like you can see how big it is, and it has an S, so that's just nuts to me. I'll be putting that in my pile right over here. All right, next. Okay, this is the third time I have received this. But I have to say that I love these. So it's a headband. I've probably worn it in some of my other videos. I don't know where it comes from, but they are $9. They retail for $9. So I can't really resell this because honestly, if I put it on there, I can't sell it for $9. I could probably list it for $6. Poshmark takes $3. You know, this would make a great gift, I think. So anyway, won't be selling that. Oh, wow. Okay. Dolce & Gabbana. What? And it's new. It has like the wrapper on the zipper. And it's, I don't know if this is like suede. It kind of feels like suede. This is so nice. Okay. Now, I don't know a lot about Dolce & Gabbana because I never find it. I've never sold it. You know, I don't know anything about it. But this is new. I can tell that it's just new. There's the inside. I don't know if you'll be able to see because it's black. But it has a big old tag in here. Let's just see what it says that it's made of because I'm very interested if it's Dolce & Gabbana Beauty. I don't know if this was like a free gift with purchase. 100% polyurethane. But anyway, feels like velvet or something. Like, I don't know. But this is really, really nice, guys. So comment below. I don't even know comps. I have no idea what I can list this for. But yeah, that is really super nice. So Dolce & Gabbana, like, I guess this would be a cosmetic bag. So that's really nice. I'm pretty positive that that's going to sell well. So, oh look. This was falling out of the box. I must have like dragged it out with one of the other items. So it's a ponytail with a beautiful accent on it, and it is new with tag. Oh, it's Ann Taylor, and it retailed for, sorry, hope you can see that. It retailed for $18. So I could list this, but it's pretty cute. Like, I can't keep everything out of this box, but this is adorable. That'll be in like the maybe. I don't know. So 18, I could probably list it since it's new with tag, maybe 14 or 15. Fitbit. So here's this. This is new with tag, a Fitbit Strap. Now, depending on how old of a like item, so this fits the Alta, I guess, Fitbit Alta. So I'm not up to date with Fitbit. I purchased the very first Fitbit, and then my husband, I think, has the Blaze one, which is like a bigger watch kind of thing. So I'll have to research this because I don't have any idea. So this came out in 2016. So I have no idea if these are still a thing that people purchase like these. So, and I don't really know how much these would cost. Probably not a lot. So we'll see. I'll probably go ahead and list it. All right, so we've got some jewelry. First thing is a beautiful necklace, I think. It's pretty tangled. I'm gonna have to figure it out. Okay. What is going on with this? Oh, I see. Okay. So it's a necklace. It's just, I need to extend it to this part. But really, really pretty. So it is Simply Vera Wang. I actually really like her items. They're sold over at Kohl's, and usually it has the price, but it's been marked out on the back. So it must have been a gift someone gave. I might could kind of see, looks like $34 is how much this retailed for. Really, really pretty though. Look at the pretty charm at the end of the necklace. That's very beautiful. I'll definitely list that. Next is some earrings. These are pretty cheap, I can tell already. I probably won't be listing these. They could be a gift with purchase or something, but you can just tell they're kind of dated and, like it's poked through the bag. I don't know. Next, but let's see. Next is a bracelet. I'm going to go ahead and open this side because it looks like it's resealable. Looks like it's a heart or, yeah, it's like a heart bracelet. That's cute. Fashion jewelry. It is very large though. I don't have like tiny hands, and this slides right on. So this is kind of larger. So maybe I'll just note in the description that it is a large bracelet, but I'll include measurements too. That's cute. That might be like a gift with purchase item too. I'm not sure that I'll really list that. Let's see. Get it back in there for you guys. All right, so those were the items that were small. All right, next we got some boot topper socks. So this is by Target. This is another thing I don't know that I'm going to list because it doesn't have the retail price on here, but they don't retail for very much. So resell, even new with tag, I'm not sure that these are going to do that great. But I mean, I could list them for $5 maybe and at least get my money back on that. All right, next is Victoria's Secret. They've sent me this kind of stuff before, but it wasn't a name brand, so I just got rid of it. But these are super nice. So they're signature stripe thigh highs. ooh, sexy, size B, which is height of 4'11" to 5'4", 5'5" to 5'9". Let's see, it looks like anywhere from 99 to 150 pounds is what size these would fit. So I'll definitely list these. This is a, they originally were 18, so I mean, I'll probably list them for 14 or 15, but these will probably sell, especially with Halloween coming up. People need these for their Halloween costume. So there's kind of a window where you can see the stripes. So it looks like kind of like gray. Oh, they're see-through, so they're black and then see-through stripes. That's cute. Okay, that is the end of my box. So I think it was an okay box. I got what I wanted. I needed some sunglasses. I got those. I got some other things. I think that this will probably do the best out of that, because that I know is a really good brand to sell. So let me know in the comments if you guys think that this was a good box. If you have any information on some of these items that I'm not sure about, I would really appreciate your comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also the bell, if you click on the bell, it will alert you anytime that I upload a new video, which is hopefully about once a week is how often that I like to upload. So don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this content, and I'll see you guys next time.